In about 45 minutes, a local doctor leaves Cincinnati to help children in a third world country.
The mission is called Operation Smile. A team of 40 doctors will heal cleft lips and palates. And just a warning for you, the before pictures from previous trips, a bit difficult to look at. Local 12 reporter Danae D'Arcy met with Dr. Kurtzman before he left this morning. And good morning, Danae.
Good morning, John and Cammie. Are we all smiling this morning?
Yes.
Looks good. Dr. Kurtzman will leave at 6:45 this morning. He's probably already at the airport getting ready for his flight. He'll be flying to Honduras, where he'll meet 40 other professional surgeons and medical professionals where they will do the surgeries. And here's a look at some of the work they perform in the third world countries. They'll take children who have always lived with either cleft lip or palate and change their appearance by doing plastic surgery. Volunteers say this procedure changes the lives of their patients, and they're able to make friends and even go to school. Surgeries cost about $750 per child, and the money is raised through private funding. Dr. Kurtzman leads the surgeries and says his team is able to help 150 candidates each trip.
A couple of my favorites are an 8- and 10-year-old boy in Nicaragua. I'd been going there for about 5 years, and they show up beautiful children with cleft lip and cleft palate. And I said to the parents, where have you been? We've been coming here. And they said, well, we couldn't afford the bus fare to come for the free surgery because it was a 3-hour bus ride. I said, well, how much is the bus fare? And they said, $1. So for the lack of $1, these kids have to live this way for another 5 years.
So on that trip, Nicaragua sent out a bus to pick up those kids who needed help, so the children were able to have surgery. The team, again, is made up of 40 medical professionals. Each surgery only takes about 30 minutes to complete. Amazing before and after pictures here. You can see the results like this. And then local doctors in Honduras are then taught how to give post-operative care to patients and maybe even how to perform some of these surgeries themselves. Dr. Kurtzman is with the Plastic Surgery Group off Red Bank Road, and he will be on the trip for about 10 days. Even his son is helping out. He asked all of the kids at his school to donate maybe some T-shirts or other clothes they have so they can send along with the team as well, because a lot of the kids that they help treat only have the clothes that they're wearing when they go to the surgery. So, he leaves at 6:45 today. We'll have more about this Operation Smile coming up later in our newscast. Back to you guys.
All right, it's very generous on the part of Dr. Kurtzman and the others who do this, Danae. Cleft lip is when a child is born with a hole in his or her lip, and that's easily corrected here in the United States. A cleft palate is a deformity where the child has a hole in the roof of his mouth.
And I know that the team has done a lot of trips like this and had great success. I mean, the results were dramatic in those pictures we saw.
And it can work wonders for self-esteem and whatever work opportunities they may have in the future and that sort of thing. It's just a wonderful thing that these doctors do.
And